What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. We are going to get hard and, well, I say hard and heavy. We're going to get busy on Boomer's car, and actually, Boomer is going to be here. He's bringing some parts with him here shortly, but before we get into all that, we got to get the rear end out of this thing because it's going to Steve's Fab Shop to get narrowed, so that's the first order of business. Let's go. Boomer! Boomer has arrived. Boomer, what's going on, man? What do you think of your car? Are you happy?
I'm getting there.
Yeah. It's a process, right? I mean, but this is a budget build, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. This is... He's had to take a part-time job at McDonald's, and you've been man-whoring too, haven't you? I have to delete that. I'll get demonetized for that, but
I wasn't born with that.
Yeah. But yeah, boys, brought a few extra parts. Hold on, where's all your... You got race car stuff over here. Look at this. Ah. Yeah, so we're officially doing this is Motion, isn't it? Yeah, Motion Raceworks parachute. And then how smug are you going to be pulling this? Having this hanging down from your roll cage? I mean, come on.
You're going to be seeing a smile on my face.
You're going to be super smug with the parachute.
It's going to be thug life.
Yeah, do the thug life video. And yes, there's the parachute. What else did you bring? You brought a bunch of stuff. Oh, he bought me a Motion Raceworks hoodie. And, oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Catch can. Yeah, harmonic balancer. It's around here somewhere. We know what those look like. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing on the ground and put the mag. Dude, I didn't even show your recently acquired wheels. Yeah, we're about to set it on the ground on some forged goodness. That's gonna be epic. What? Yep. So, what do you think, dude? What's it like to finally see it kind of mocked up in person? Excited? Oh, we didn't even talk about these. Got your new caster cambers on. Got your maker's scuff plates.
Somebody talked me into getting them?
Well, you got to protect your paint now. You got shaved engine bay problems. Whenever you got pretty paint, hey, you got to start protecting it.
Yeah, I want to stick another spacer on it so the top part.
Let me know.
No, it's got to come up.
Getting the coilovers on.
We'll get some pliers, but we'll grab it. Yeah.
See if we can pull that up through there. So yeah, boys, we're shooting for the moon here. You excited?
Yeah, we're shooting for tomorrow.
Yeah, driving down. We're gonna do burnouts tomorrow.
Yeah. You live in dreamland.
Come on, Jeremy.
Third one, there you go.
Positive thinking, it wins every time, right?
They get done.
Yeah.
One step at a time.
One step at a time.
Slowly but surely.
When's that single 88 coming? You got it ordered yet, or we need that big 88?
We're not even going to run a freaking outer fender.
Yeah, really just cut a hole there and then put your turbo guard there. That thing will be good to go.
Yeah, but what is that, a T? Is that T4? Yeah, we'll have to release
T4 flange, yeah.
T6.
Oh, T6.
Go over and get that 88 I got on the shelf.
That's right. You do have an 88 up. See? Look at there. Why not?
Is that 6? T6?
All right. Don't miss the... Come on, man. You're going to miss it. Hey, nothing better than some forged. Yeah, I think it's hitting, isn't it?
Probably.
Yeah.
That might just be his rust. I think it's touching a little bit.
Yeah, it is touching the caliper.
It's a small space.
Slight spacer, but still,
Yeah.
you get the idea.
Yeah, and we ain't leaving this looking like this either. So.
No, definitely not.
He might, but we ain't.
Yeah, we don't roll like that. Yeah, you wanting to swap him? You can swap him, yeah. I don't know. Jennings might. Jennings probably swap you. Whipple for turbo. Yeah. What about this one? This one. Well, this one's got a little while to go, but. Yep.
They're all nice.
Oh yeah. Well, a little bit different. There you go. There's some spacers. So it won't take much. Where's the wheel at? Oh.
Oh, I rolled it back.
We're going to have a new reveal. You think you can handle that 2-pound wheel? All right, now let's try that again. That do it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. See, now he's got forged wheels and a parachute. I mean, how smug are you going to be? I mean, just, man, I don't even know. I mean, I kind of know how you feel. I mean, I've got a red seat in my car now. So, you know, I'm rolling. I'm with you, man. I'm with you.
Would you just look at that?
Man.
Would you look at that?
Who does that?
Yeah, who does it?
Now remember, these are for race use only, not street use, as they say right there on the.
Fuck, I'm gonna put it on a trailer and just fucking take it home with me and just look at it.
Yeah. That's right. Ready to come down?
Jumping down.
All right, let's see what we're working with here. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it goes perfect with that black.
Oh. What did Exhibit say? You've officially been pimped.
Yeah, that goes good.
Man, yeah. Being black too, I mean, it's...
I mean, I just like this yellow wiring, man. I mean, he did such a good job on that.
I mean, she's under construction, just, you know. Hey, I want to know who drilled holes right here in the body.
Who does that?
Who does that? I mean,
That's back when I was young and dumb.
oh, trust me, I know the feeling. Dude, that looks great though. That looks great.
That's what we're gonna do now. You haven't seen nothing.
Bring it on the ground, fully on the ground. Of course, we still got to build the rear end, but hey, the good thing is at least you already got disc brakes, so you ain't got to worry about that. Don't have to run exhaust because bullhorn life.
Yeah, there's the whole exhaust.
Yeah. Man.
Now when you get the wheels match it,
Yeah, what are you gonna do about the back ones?
he's gonna buy the Magnums.
Yeah, he need the bead lock.
Yeah.
1,100 a piece.
Yeah.
It's just money, dog. Just money.
It'll look good. Man, I got all the fittings.
Oh, that's nice. So you got all the.
That don't look cheap.
Nah. That's good stuff. Motion makes good stuff.
The kit was $400.
You serious?
Yes.
Good God. Let me see that thing.
All the fittings and everything.
Better get you every drop of.
Yeah. That is nice.
Yeah,
That's with all the fittings and I don't even know where the fittings are at.
that's
Yeah,
well
that's-
machined.
It's got a breather ring in there too. So.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Well, there you go, boys. She is on the ground. Lots more coming. Got the forged wheels on there. Oh, we didn't show the ATI damper. Let's check out the dampener. Oh, wait a minute. Good. Oh, it's 2-piece. Look at you. Yeah, I know those are pricey too.
Boomer's on a whole nother level.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Boomer's Roman noodles.
Ramen noodles, Bam. All right. Progress. Gonna put you on the dyno at Ford Takeover, win the competition?
Like to.
Yeah. It'll definitely make plenty of steam, that's for sure. Get it tuned and she'll be ready to go.
Well, we ain't got to pull a drive shaft.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Definitely just drop her down. So he's got 35 spline, axle, spool,
Yeah. 355 gear.
355 gear, turbo life. Shoot, he probably could go a little less, but yeah, that is what is up, boys. We're gonna get this rear end out and all right. I should get it.
Yeah, we have to pick the rear end up and get them shot bolts loose. Boom for Boomer. Here.
Just saying, I'm gonna do something, tie his damn control arms up, but
Yeah.
I guess it ain't gonna move, so I don't guess it really matters, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That seemed awful loose, didn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna say these aren't tight at all.
They're not tight, it's just the bushing wore out.
Now the bolt's tight. I guess the bushing's done. There it is.
There she is. I gotta pry this other arm off.
There's that front bar right there.
Yeah, it didn't come off. It don't act like it wants to come off.
His upper bushings are toast.
Yeah, we'll put the solid ones in it. Yeah, move it, shot.
Yeah. There it is. She's out. Yeah.
So white one on there. Change the width. Right.
With the what?
Yeah. There you go, guys. That's what little drag racing does on your stock bushings.
Yeah, we're gonna vary a little bit.
Those things are done. Oh God, yes. Guys, if you don't know, the worst smell in the world is used gear oil. Doesn't look bad though.
No,
Old as it is. Gear.
he said it's 373.
Yep, 373. Ah, and of course, I had to get the gear oil on my finger. Smart move.
I'm gonna take these brakes off.
And all these lines off. Guys, if you didn't know, this is an SN95 end-to-end transplant. So we're going to shorten it and put Fox length custom length axles in it. Sweet. This bad boy is ready to go to Steve's Fab Shop.
Ready, yeah. Steve Babs, yeah.
Already ready. Already. This rear end's in good shape. All the bearings and everything look good.
Put it all in use.
Not that it matters because it's all coming out anyway, but we will have more on the F-150 as soon as we can get Alex out here. Tay is sending him bad messages now for
Yeah,
leaving it. Are you sending him bad messages?
Send the bag.
So, yeah, guys, we're running the gamut today. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And lots of updates coming on everything. Later.